mm, gamma beta function is the first Eulerian integral. Hmm. This is the definition of beta function 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 bracket 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. This is denoted by beta mn. This is the Greek letter beta mn. Uh, x to the power m minus 1, 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx. This integration is called beta mn or beta function. Is called first Eulerian integral or beta function. In this integration, m will be must be greater than 0 and n also greater than 0. X is the variable and the integration will be with respect to x. Just mn, beta mn. Similarly, 0 to infinity e to the power minus x, x to the power n minus 1 dx denoted by gamma n. This is called what? Gamma n. And n must be greater than 0, that means positive, is called the second Eulerian integral or gamma function. We have to remember these two formula, that means gamma function formula and this is called beta function formula. Remember, this is the definition of gamma beta function. And remember it, gamma 1 equals to 1, gamma 1 equals to 1. If you put n equals to 1 here, n equals to 1 e to the power minus 1 and x to the power will be 0 for n equals to 1. Then we get gamma n 1 equals to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x dx. This integration will be only will give 1 e to the power x formula, e to the power x, that is just dividing with the coefficient of x, that means minus 1 divided by minus 1, then we get this one. So gamma 1 equals to what? 1. And gamma n plus 1 equals to n into gamma n. You have to remember this formula. Gamma n plus 1 equals to n into gamma n. And gamma n plus 1 equals to n factorial. Remember it. We have to remember this formula. Gamma n plus 1 equals to n factorial. And another formula, beta mn formula, beta mn relationship between beta function and gamma function. Beta mn equals to gamma m plus gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Gamma m, gamma m, gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. This is the fifth formula. And fourth formula will be 0 to infinity e to the power minus kx x to the power n minus 1 dx equals to gamma n divided by k to the power n. Just this constant. This constant may be k, may be s, may be t, anyone. This way, just constant to the power n. Constant to the power n. And in up gamma n, where k is positive, n is also positive. Another number 6 formula, gamma m into gamma 1 minus m equals to pi divided by sine m phi. This is the another formula. If we put m equals to half in equation 6, equation 6 means what? In which one? Equation 6 means this. In this, if we put m equals to half in this formula, then we get gamma half equals to root pi. We have to remember this formula also. Gamma half equals to root pi. Gamma half equals to root pi. Another standard integrals 0 to pi by 2 sine p theta cos to the power q theta d theta equals to gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 2 into gamma p plus q plus 2 divided by 2. This is the standard integral for gamma function. 0 to 5 by 2. This will be 0 to 5 by 2 sine to the power p theta cos to the power q theta. P q may any numbers which will be greater than minus 1. Any numbers. Then you have to use this formula, gamma p plus 1 by 2 gamma q plus 1 by 2 2 into gamma p plus q plus divided by 2. This is the actually formula for gamma function. Okay, now we'll try obtain a reduction formula for in. This is the nth integration. In equals to integration over dx divided by x square plus x square whole to the power n. We have to find out the reduction formula for this integration. integration what? Integration of dx divided by s square plus x square whole to the power n. Now let us consider in equals to this integration. This is the given integration. Now we can write x square plus s square whole to the power minus n. This n can be written as minus n dx, right? Now we have to use UB formula here to take this integration. We have to use UB formula. That means this will be u, 1 will be b. This can be written as this into 1. That means x square plus s square whole to the power minus 1 will be u and 1 will be b. Then u into integration of b, that means 1. Differentiation of u, integration of 1. Then third bracket, this product again integration. UB process of integration. This integration 1 what? Only x, right? X into s square plus x square whole to the power minus n minus this will be what? ddx of differentiation. Differentiation means x to the power n formula what? N into x to the power n minus 1. N minus 1 means what? Minus n minus 1. That means minus n plus 1. Then again differentiation of x. Differentiation of s square 0 and x square will be what? Twice x. But this integration of 1 will be give x. So we get only 2x square. 2x square and there n, this is twice n constant before integration, and x means what? X square. X square then this power can be written as s square plus x square in n plus 1. That means positive in down. This minus becomes plus. Now we can write the x square, s square plus x square here in down, in denominator x square, s square plus x square. This is how we produce s square plus x square in numerator. S square plus x square minus s square will give x square. Then s square plus x square divided by this one term and s square divided by this, just dividing into two parts. S square plus x square divided by this part, and s square divided by this will be give. 2n will be multiplied to each term. Now x into s square plus x square whole to the power minus n plus twice n in minus twice n. This is in. This is the given integration. See here. This is the in given integration. In minus twice n s square also constant, twice n s square integration over dx divided by s square plus x square whole to the power n plus 1. Now we can write in equals to, this is in equals to, this is in equals to x into s square plus x square whole to the power minus n plus twice n in and twice n s square, right? And this is also can be written as in plus 1, because here only n plus 1, but in in only n. If we take n plus 1 here, this will be what? N plus 1. If we take n minus 1, this will be power n minus 1 using the given integration. So in plus 1 can be written, or twice n s square in plus 1 equals to, this will be twice n s square in plus 1 equals to this x into s square plus x square minus n minus this twice n, this in common, twice n minus 1 into in, right? Therefore in plus 1 equals to this twice n s square will be divided, and this also divided by twice n s square, and this can be written as 1 divided by s square plus x square whole to the power n. Now replacing n by n minus 1 on both sides, just we have to replace n by n minus 1. That means putting n equals to n minus 1, then we get in. If we put n minus 1 for this n, then n minus 1 plus 1, that means in equals to, here also n minus 1 replace n, and also here we get this. This is the relationship, and this relationship is called reduction formula for the given integration. This show that in equals to integration of s square plus t square, in place of x there are t variable, s square plus t square to the power n by 2 dt. Then prove that in equals to t into s square plus t square n by 2 divided by n plus 1 plus n into s square divided by n plus 1 in. That means we have to prove this result. We have to prove this result. This is for what? A square plus t square to the power n by 2. Now let us consider in equals to a square plus t square to the power n by 2 dt. A square plus t square whole to the power n by 2 integration of dt minus that means ub process. This will be whole u and one will be b. A square plus u equals to what? U equals to a square plus t square to the power n by 2 and one will be b. U into b integration minus differentiation of u integration of v, then again integration of them. Now a square plus t square to the power n by 2 into t, this is the one integration t, then x to the power n formula what? N into x to the power n minus 1, n by 2 minus 1. Then again in differentiation of a square plus t square. Since we have to differentiate with respect to t, that means variable is t, then t square formula what? 2t, twice t, and one integration what? This only t. This is the whole integration with respect to t. Now t into a square plus t square whole to the power n by 2 minus n into integration a square plus t square n by 2 minus 1. This can be written as what? 2t square. 2 cancel, 2 cancel, right? 2 cancel, and this t square can be written as a square plus t square minus a square. Just dividing, for distributing this. A square plus t square, a square plus t square into this equals to a square plus t square n by 2 only, right? This power 1 cancel, this is why only 1 by 2, and a square into this, and a square dt divided by a square plus t square whole to the power, what will be? This will be changed. Minus 1 will be plus 1 and n by 2 will be minus n by 2. 1 minus n by 2. Now t into a square plus t square to the power n by 2 minus n into, this is the integration a square plus t square whole to the power n by 2 dt. This will be n a square, and this is the integration of a square plus t square to the power n by 2 minus 1. That means this will be changed when it will in numerator, n by 2 minus 1. Base same, power will be changed. Now we can write in equals to standard form, this t into a square plus t square to the power n by 2 minus n into, this is the given integration in, right? In, and this is the given integration, but n is n minus 1, n will be what? N minus 1. Now this in and this in taking common, this will be 1 plus n into in, and this plus this. Now in equals to what will be? 1 plus n the n dividing, 1 plus n plus 1 dividing. Clear? Next example. তো ভালো করে দেখা যাচ্ছে না। If un equals to integration of x to the power n square root over a minus x dx, un, this is the integration un, un equals to this, then prove that twice n plus 3 into un equals to twice n un minus 1 minus twice x to the power n a minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 power. We have to prove this condition. Now given integration, integral un equals to integration over x to the power n square root over a minus x, a minus x. Now similar process, x to integration over x to the power n into a minus x to the power half, that means ub process, right? X to the power n will be u, and this will be what? B. Now u into integration of b, integration of b means what? A minus x whole to the power n, x to the n formula, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, but dividing with the coefficient of x, coefficient of x what? Minus 1, dividing with the coefficient of minus minus 1. In integration we have to divide with the coefficient of variable, remember it, minus integration over n into x to the power n minus 1, that means differentiation of x to the power n into x to the power n minus 1, again integration of this same, this x to the n, n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, dividing with the coefficient of minus 1. Now this can be written as 3 by 2 after taking LCM, least common multiple. 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3, since this is the fraction, inverting the fraction we get 2 by 3 minus x to the power n, this will be minus x to the power n 2 by 3 minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus constant will be what? N, and this will be 2 by 3, 3 by 2, and it will become 3 by 2, 2 by 3 when we will take in multiplication, then minus minus plus twice n by 3 and x to the power n minus 1 a minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 dx. Now 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 x to the power n a minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 plus twice n by 3 integration over x to the power n minus 1. This a minus x can be written as a minus x into a minus x to the power half. 3 by 2 means power, the here power 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 can be written as 1 plus half, right? 1 plus half. This is why m minus x to the power 1 into a minus x to the power half. Just taking a minus x into two parts. Now again this integral value minus 2 by 3 x to the power n a minus x to the power 3 by 2 plus twice n by 3 integration over this x to the power n minus 1, uh, x to the power n minus 1, just multiplying x to the power n minus n, x to the power n minus 1 minus x to the power n into a minus x to the power half dx equals to minus 2 by 3 x to the power n a minus x to the power 3 by 2 plus twice n by 3 a into this will be x to the power n minus 1. Yes, this means power half means square root a minus x multiplying x to the power n multiply this also. That means this will after multiplying, after multiplication this will give first term, and x to the power n multiply this, this is the second term. Now un equals to this twice n by 3, this a also twice a n by 3, then this is the un minus 1, just putting n minus 1 in the given integral. This is the standard form of un minus 1, and this is the also the standard form of un twice n by 3 un. Now 1 plus twice n by 3 taking common un, this un and this un, taking in one side and taking common also 1 plus twice n by 3 un equals to this one, this and this also. Now taking LCM, 3 plus twice n divided by 3, then multiplying 3 on both sides, multiplying 3 on both sides we get this one, multiplying 3 will be cancelled, this un minus 1, this is the 2 by 3, this, which is the required proof. Twice n plus 3 un equals to twice n un minus 1 minus 2 by 3 x to the power n a minus x to the power 3 by 2. This is the required proof. Now we have to find out I3. I3, if we put I3 means what? I3 un, this is the un given, but x square plus 1 whole cube, x square plus a square to the power n in reduction formula, first reduction formula, x square plus a square whole to the power n, in equals to what to us in first formula, this in equals to integration of dx a square plus x square whole to the power n. But if a equals to 1 and n equals to 3, if a equals to 1 x square plus 1, then n equals to 3, n equals to 3 will be, this is the integration, then we can get I3 equals to what, integration over dx divided by x square plus 1 whole cube, just putting n equals to 3 in the standard form. I3 will be x divided by 4 into x square plus 1 whole square plus 3 by 4 I2. This is the standard form. This is standard form of in. N equals to 3, I3, n equals to 3, here n equals to 3, a equals to 1, n equals to 3, a equals to 1. This will be what? I2. Okay, I2. This is the I2. Again, I2 equals to what will be? Just putting n equals to 2 in the required standard form of in, reduction formula. Dx divided by x square plus 1, n equals to what will be? 2. Then this will give the I1. I1 means what? N equals to 1, a equals to 1. Then dx divided by x square plus 1 only. This is the formula of tan inverse x. Okay. This is why I3 equals to this 3 by 4 into I2. I2 means what? This one. This is the required result. obtain a reduction formula for x to the power n e to the power x dx. Now in equals to integration of x to the power n e to the power x dx. X to the power n UV process, similar process. We will proceed in similar process. That means first one is u and second one is uv. That means integration uv rule. Using uv rule, u into integration of b minus differentiation of u integration of b, then second bracket the whole integration. Now x to the power n e to the power x formula, e to the power x, dividing with the coefficient of x. We have to divide with the coefficient of x. Remember it, in integration we have to divide with the coefficient of x, and in differentiation we have to multiply with the coefficient of x. This minus x to the n formula, what? N into x to the n minus 1. This is the differentiation formula. Now e to the power x formula, e to the power x, just dividing with the coefficient of x. Now x to the power n into e to the power x divided by a minus n by a constant, x to the n minus 1 e to the power x. This is also look like the given integral. That means I equal to n minus 1. I equal to n minus 1. This is the I n equals to. Very simple. Very simple. Right? Clear? Just using UV formula. Okay? Now, if you want to find out integration over x square into e to the power x dx, just n equals to what? N equals to 2. X square n equals to what? 2 only. Now I2 equals to, then putting here I2 n equals to 2. Then I2 equals to what? X square e to the power x dx. Just putting I equals to 2. But this is the using reduction formula of this, we can write n equals to 2 here. N equals to 2 means what? X square e to the power x divided by a minus n equals to 2 divided by a. This will be what? I1. I1 means what? N equals to 1. N equals to 1 will be this from a standard formula. So I2 equals to x square x divided by a minus, this will be I2. Remember it. 2 divided by a, this will be I1. N equals to 1. Putting n equals to 1 in a standard form. N equals to 1 will be these two become 1 only. That means x into e to the power x. X into e to the power x. This is the, now putting n equals to 1 here. N equals to 1 here. X into e to the power x divided by 2 minus n divided by a. This will be what? I0. I0 means what? N equals to 0. If we put x to the power n equals to 0 here, x to the power 0, then only e to the power x formula. E to the power x formula, what? E to the power x, just dividing with the coefficient of a, there will be a square, and this will be a cube. This is the result. I2 equals to, just taking common. Very simple for you. Okay, পারা যাবে? This is also sine, cos, sec. There are many examples. To 10 to the power n formula. 10 to the power n formula বের করে n equals to 5 বসিয়ে 3 বসিয়ে কিভাবে বের করে, এগুলো একটু এক্সাম্পল গুলো একটু করে দেখি। এক্সাম্পল 2 টাও একটু চেষ্টা করবে। তারপর এক্সাম্পল 3 ইম্পর্টেন্ট এক্সাম্পল। হ্যাঁ, e to the power x cos to the power n x dx ইউভি প্রসেসে করতে হবে। আর ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট এক্সাম্পল 4, এটা শীটেও করা আছে, তোমরা চাইলে এখান থেকেও করতে পারো, শীট থেকেও করতে পারো। dx divided by x square plus a square whole to the power n minus n by 2. This is the power n by 2. Very easy. Then putting I equal to 7, then we get the required integral. Example 4 very important. Then example 4, then this example 9 very important. This was also done in শিটেও করা আছে, এটা হ্যান্ড নোটও আছে। এক্সাম্পল 9, এক্সাম্পল 4 9 ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, নোট ডাউন। এক্সাম্পল 4 9 very important. Then example 6 7 6 7, example 9, example 9 already done, example 9, sorry, exercise 9, 6 7, exercise 9, exercise 9, exercise 11 also done. Okay, x to the power n square root square minus x square means half আর কি power. Example 11. ওকে, এই হোমওয়ার্ক গুলো একটু